Gather round, friends. Let's explore kindness and sharing today. One sunny day, I saw a little bird struggling to find food. Instead of chasing it, I decided to share my lunch with the bird. The bird chirped happily, and soon, more friends joined us. Later, I took my newfound friends to my cozy living room. We shared stories by the fire, learning about friendship and compassion. As the sun set, we headed to the beach to watch the waves together. Remember, friends, kindness and sharing create the best memories. Gather